In this video, we're going to look at another way in Sheets. You can tell in each cell who was the last person to revise an item in a cell. So click on a cell, then right-click it, and click on Show Edit History. You can see this is a new feature. And when it does that, I can see who all has made updates on that specific cell. So again, this can be great help whenever you can see what all was replaced and added into that cell. So when you're working with students or even just yourself and you need to go back and see a previous version or select it, remember you can come to that version history and restore a previous version. But this helps you know who edited a cell last.